Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the Learning Curve. Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new season of Oliver the Cat, the Learning Curve. We want to continue to grow our vocabulary. In order to grow our vocabulary, we need to learn new and fresh words. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Our first word is said. Let's use said in a sentence. He said, "Let's go." Our next word is there. Let's use there in a sentence. Don't go there. Our next word is him. Let's use him in a sentence. We saw him go to the store. Our next word is that. Let's use that in a sentence. I've seen that. Our next word is got. Let's use got in a sentence. I got up. Our next word is not. Let's use not in a sentence. I am not going to the zoo. Our next word is to. Let's use to in a sentence. Your hair is too long. Our next word is why. Let's use why in a sentence. I don't know why it's raining. Our next word is first. Let's use first in a sentence. First, we will eat some food. Our last word is new. Let's use new in a sentence. Let's find a new game to play. All right, my little kitties. Let's review all of the words that we have learned so far. Said, there, him, that, got, not, to, why, first, new. All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people the words that we have learned today.